Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add athlete to your Instagram bio. So you might have seen a bunch of Instagrammers that have added athlete to their bio. So for example, if I go to my Instagram and then search for an athlete player, for example Babar Azam, you will see he has written athlete to their bio. So how can you do that as well? So for that, first you need to convert your personal Instagram to business Instagram account, because personal Instagram doesn't allow you to add this athlete bio. So if you want to convert your Instagram to business account, for that you need to click on the profile and then click on the three lines and then go to settings, and here you need to click on account and then scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on switch to professional account. Then click on continue. You will see a bunch of options you can get, and here you need to search for athlete and click on this athlete, and if you want to display it, enable this option and then click on done. If you are a creator, click on creator. I will go with creator, and then there you go, you can see an athlete written in my Instagram bio. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.